Hi, my name is Joanne. Welcome to Sewing Alchemy. Today I'd like to start a brand new journey with all of you, and I'm going to begin recording all of the mending and alterations that I do pretty regularly. Like right now I have a very large stack of jobs to do, and I'd like to bring you along for all of them. Today I went ahead and filmed my very first episode. And we're going to take the two big old moo-moos. They might be dresses. I'm not 100% sure. They're just kind of long knit dresses. And we're going to go ahead and take 3 inches off of each one of them. And we're going to put on a rolled hem. So I'll show you how that works out. And they came out real nice. We actually already did them. So stay tuned and we will go ahead and hem some dresses. First, we're going to line up the hem so everything is straight when we cut. I'm folding it at half so that it's just a little bit more manageable. Once it starts to look nice and even, we're going to get our chalk pen out and we're going to mark our lines for cutting. So I'm hemming off 3 inches. So I'm measuring it at 2.5. We're going to leave a 1/2 inch for the rolled hem. And if you look, you're going to see that there's a slight curve to the bottom. And when I go ahead and cut that, I'm just going to cut in short little bursts so that I'm sure to stay on that line. You'll see here how I just kind of work my way forward a couple inches at a time. All right, getting ready to cut. Don't be scared. As long as you measured it out, you will be fine. Like Jenny Doan always says, measure twice, cut once. You can see those short sections, how I cut, and I did keep the curve. Now we're gonna start pinning and get ready for the actual sewing. I always check it first to make sure I'm folding at the right amount. We don't want to start out too big and have it be shorter than the customer would want. And these pins were giving me all kinds of trouble, so I flipped over to the clips, and from there we didn't have any trouble at all. Again, always make sure you're starting out with the right amount of a fold. That way you will be right the whole way. And once you get going, it really, even though I'm in super speed here, it goes pretty quickly. And in no time at all, we're going to be ready for the sewing machine. There we are. All right, the sewing is honestly the easiest part. We're just going to get the first little fold correctly in place, and once that needle goes down, it's just smooth sailing from there. You'll be fine. I went through and I sewed this up pretty quickly. Just make sure you stay on the hem. You don't want to have open gaps or anything like that. I went through, look at that. It just came out real nice. We're going to go through and we're going to do the same thing here with our other moo-moo dress. I went ahead and I'm taking 2.5 inches off real quick. We're getting that hem folded up, and we're going to head straight on over to the sewing machine. It's just a really quick and easy project, and honestly, this could apply to many knit projects. You could apply this thin rolled hem to a collar, a hem on pajama pants, just about anything. It lays really nice, and it also stays in shape really well through washings. So there we have it. Everything just came out really nice. We're just going to clean it all up there and call it a day. I hope you took something from this short video, and I hope it helps you along your sewing journey. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, always be kind to yourself, and finished is always better than perfect. Have a great day.